Hey everybody, this is Ryan's Washer Videos. This is going to be the attempt on the inside Samsung dishwasher, which is I thought I want to go ahead and give you a look inside the dishwasher, since I'm doing the two layers of the bags to seal it up. That way my phone doesn't get soaking wet and malfunctioned that day. So even I have my dad's flashlight over there that you can see what is going on inside the dishwasher. So, and of course, Samsung model number right here. Sorry if you can't see it. So DW80R5061UG. So OT means the test is completed on the dishwasher, so I'm going to go ahead and restart it to do a retake, so that way my phone doesn't stop recording, because I wanted to do a very full tests on this dishwasher. So, alright, anyways, let's get started. Alright, everything is all sealed up and ready to go. Let me power it up first. See what happens. Okay, so there you have it. This was the inside of the Samsung dishwasher doing its full test. Now, I'm not completely sure why am I seeing those dishwasher has a left soap around it. I tried to rinse it out with a cup, but it seems like maybe it's just going away soon. Or maybe I should put on rinse only. And probably, yeah. I'll do rinse only, which is I'm going to go ahead and drain the water down. Restart the dishwasher. Hold start to drain the left water out. Okay, so there you have it, everybody. The very full test on the Samsung dishwasher model DW80R5061UG. So there you have it. Hope you liked it, and don't mind the camera out of focus because of this, the plastic bag. Yeah, so alright, thanks for watching.